Are you looking for a Holy Stone drones? In this video, I will show you the 5 best Holy Stone drones based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Holy Stone HS270. 2.7K HD camera catches incredible clarity in the photos. 5G transmission ensures beautiful scenes are sent back to the phone, frequent and clear. 90-degree adjustable angle enables broader views. You may also share your laughter on social media from Holy Stone app page directly and easily. Equipped with GPS positioning, the drone can automatically follow the pilots. When it is losing signal or power, or you press one key return, it will and fly back to takeoff point automatically. Besides, you will have an easy start with functions like altitude hold, headless mode. Get worry-free flight and have better shots. The 4th product on the list is the Holy Stone HS720E. The 4K camera catches much more details of the treasured moments. Videos recorded with 60 frames per second play more smoothly. The electric image stabilization reduces blurring and ensures stabilized video images. The double altitude hold technology, optical flow and air pressure enable it to hover very stably and easy to use for users. The HS720E Follow Me feature has you covered automatically no matter where you go. Just enjoy the beauty and landscapes through the app. The 3rd product on the list is the Holy Stone HS720. 4K camera with shock absorption, a 90 degrees rotation adjustable lens and 5G fluent FPV transmission will let you experience the world right before your eyes. The military-grade intelligent battery is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. Dual balance charger is included. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longevous than brushed motor. The 2nd product on the list is the Holy Stone HS700D. With the newest 2K HD 110-degree FOV camera connected to your phone, you can view very decent real-time pictures and videos in Holy Stone app. 90-degree adjustable angle helps you capture the world with multiple angles and record your wonderful time. With no mechanism friction, it supports higher speed rotation and provides stronger power with little noise. It also extends the battery life and make it easy for fly even in windy day. The package also include drone protection guards which can protect person and property. The 1st product on the list is the Holy Stone HS510. Plan your flight round on Bolton Map. Combine video with TapFly, drone will record beautiful scenery along the route. Enter this function, drone will continuously clickwise around the present point. A person can complete creative filmmaking. Submit a route you draw on app, then the drone will fly along the path you set. The aircraft can shoot stable aerial shots. The optical flow positioning system is typically used in indoor environment when GPS signal is weak or unavailable. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.